PrepMaster Analytics offers the possibility of attaching video recordings to an error and alarm message for machines in which cameras are installed. The video recordings take place continuously within the machines and are buffered on the video server. If an error occurs, the video recordings of the incident are saved from a defined time period, made available to PrepMaster Analytics and attached to the corresponding error message. Within PrepMaster Analytics, the errors and warnings that trigger the saving of a video snippet can be configured very quickly and easily. The event data recording function of PrepMaster Analytics is a valuable tool for convenient and comprehensive error analysis, and helps to ensure long-term error-free operation of the system.